Welcome again for பாடம் படிக்கலாம் 6th standard unit 3 supplementary spices of India. Spices of India. There are 100 common spices used in cooking around the world. We can easily find the best spices in our local market. Spices are employed as adjuncts to impart flavor and aroma to foods. Spices are the soul to Indian food. Some of the 7 important spices are black pepper, chili, coriander seed, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seeds. Let us little bit learn about the history of the spices. 3000 BCE to 200 BCE, Arabs traded spices and herbs among early civilizations. 200 BCE to 1200 CE, the Romans controlled the trade. 1200 to 1500 CE, Europeans explored passages to the East Indies. 1400 to 1600 CE, wars for control of the spice trade break out. 1500 to 1700 CE, English exploration begins. 1600 to 1900 CE, Americans entered the spice trade. Today, we expect pepper, cardamom, ginger, chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin. Now let us learn the supplementary spices of India. Spices are the soul of Indian food. Spices not only gives a delicious taste to food but also make it healthy, as they do not contain any calories or fat. Spices like cumin, mustard, pepper, cloves, fennel, cinnamon and turmeric are very important in Indian food. Curry is a sauce derived from the Tamil word curry, meaning a mixture of spices. The spice leaves may vary from mild to strong, hot, sour, tart, fragrant, etc. etc. When spices are cooked with rice, fish, meat, it gives a great savory taste and makes people want more. Many voyages have changed the whole trade scene of our country. In 1492, Columbus went west to find India and pepper, but ran into America and Chile. Vasco da Gama, 6 years later, went around Africa to reach Calicut, the home of pepper. These voyages set the stage for a new world in the spice trade. Spices were traded with many countries along with perfumes and textiles 7,000 years ago. Ayurveda had listed the use of spices for cooking and in medicines 1,000 years ago, while these spices are readily available today. There was a time when people risked their lives to get Indian spices. We have been using spices about 52,000 years now. Black pepper, known as black gold, was traded with many countries. Cinnamon was appreciated all over the world for its fragrance and taste, and people were willing to spend huge amount on it. Cinnamon, what are the medicinal purposes? This popular spice comes from the bark of the cinnamon tree and is used in everything from spice later to Cincinnati chili. Cinnamon is especially great for people who have high blood sugar. It lends a sweet taste to food without adding sugar. and studies indicate it can lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes who are at greater risk for developing heart disease. Turmeric is best known for its use in Indian curry dishes and has become a trendy superfood for its ability to reduce inflammation, a common cause of discomfort and illness. Ginger is a tropical plant that's been used in Asian cultures for thousands of years to treat stomach upset, diarrhea, and nausea. Garlic, most of us are familiar with garlic, the strong smelling pulp frequently used in cooking. But what you might not know is that eating garlic may protect your heart from changes that lead to heart disease. Healthiest ways to use spices. Whether you use spice fresh or dried, you will still get beneficial compounds, but it cautions if you fry or grill food with spices. It decreases the antioxidants. However, microwave cooking, simmering or stewing food with spices actually heightens the antioxidants levels of spices. So, we all have an experience of using spices. Some of them doesn't like spices, but if you know the medicinal value, you can take spices in your food. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed Padam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get the next lesson.